Welcome to another owner's update, everyone. I'm like freaking out. I'm afraid of heights, and we're up here on the 4th floor. My legs are shaking, but we had to bring you up here so you could see this epic view. It's just phenomenal, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. It was a big milestone to get to the 4th level. So yeah, it was a massive feat for everyone to get to this stage, and so proud of all the guys and everyone working on the project. So the next stage now is to do the lift wells. So next week they're going to pour those, and then we're going to have a lift installed next month. So tidying it all up. We've got structural steel guys working up here now on the steel frame, ready to put the rooftop on. So it's within 2 months it's all going to be sealed up. Hebel block walls going in downstairs like crazy. We've got new crews starting. Carpenters busy in the factory there now, doing all the doors and windows and frames. So it's super exciting.
Yeah, so all the rooms are starting to come together. All of the big decisions are being made. Landscaping and the pool design is all coming together too. We've got the team working really hard to make all of that happen, and things are starting to really move fast here now that the major structure is out of the way and we're all good to go.
Yep. Exactly right.
Yeah. So thank you for tuning in. I've got to get off here before I feel like I'm going to fall off because I'm very clumsy as well. So have a wonderful afternoon, day, morning, wherever you are, and we'll see you again next time. Bye.